Google Drive is a free service from Google that allows you to store files from your computer online and access them from anywhere using the cloud. Using your internet browser, navigate to google.com. Once signed in, select Drive from the top menu. You are now in your Google Drive. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar, where you can search for different files. The action buttons will appear whenever a file is selected. Use the action buttons to share, organize, delete, or preview any of your files. By default, your files are sorted by the date they were last modified. Click Sort to reorganize your files by size, title, or editing history. Click the List and Grid buttons to view your files in List View or as icons. Click the Create button to start a new document, spreadsheet, presentation, or other Google document. The new file will be saved to your drive automatically. Click the Upload button to upload files or folders from your computer to Google Drive. Click the Create button and select Document from the drop-down menu. Your new doc will open automatically in a new tab on your browser. Google Documents works just like any other word processor. The interface is simpler and has less options than Microsoft Word, but it works. At the top of the page, locate and select Untitled Document. Type a name for your doc, then click OK. You may notice that there is no Save button. This is because Google Docs uses autosave, which automatically and immediately saves your files as you edit them. To find a document, type the title of your document in the search bar to locate it. For a more specific search, click the Advanced Search Options button and select a filter. Your list of files will show only the files that match the filter you chose. To create a folder, click the Create button and select Folder from the menu. Type a name for your folder, then click Create. Your folder will appear in the left navigation bar below My Drive. You can also use the New Folder button to add a new folder. To change the color of your folder, click the drop-down arrow to the right of the folder. Go to Change Color and select a color. While viewing your Google Drive, locate the file you wish to add to a folder. Click, hold, and drag the file to the desired folder in the left navigation pane. The file is now stored in the folder. To add multiple files to the same folder, select the files by clicking their checkboxes. You can click, hold, and drag these, or use the Move To action button to select the folder you wish to put the files in. While viewing your drive, select the file you wish to delete. The File action buttons will appear. Click on the Remove button. This will move the file to the Trash folder. To access the Trash folder, click More in the left navigation pane below your folders. Select Trash to access the Trash folder. Locate and select the file you wish to delete. A new set of file action buttons will appear. Select the Delete Forever button. The file will now be permanently deleted. To delete all files in the Trash folder, simply click the Empty Trash button. Locate and select the file you wish to share. Click the Share Action button. In the Invite People box, type the email addresses of the people you'd like to share the file with. Once you're done, click the Share and Save button. Click the drop-down arrow next to each person's name to see their permissions. Decide whether they can edit, comment on, or just view the file. To remove a person from the list, click the X next to their name. Click File to view additional sharing options. Download As downloads your file in a different format. Publish to Web creates a simple web page of your document. Email Collaborators allows you to send an email that includes a link to your file. Email as Attachment allows you to send your file as an email attachment. Select See Revision History to view older versions of the file. You can see the changes that have been made and revert to an older version. Click the speech bubble to start a chat with online collaborators. Click the Comments button to view a thread containing all comments related to that file. You can also add new comments and reply to old ones. Hover over the Share button to see a description on the file's current visibility. You can also click it and view the people you've shared the file with. Converting a file to a Google document, spreadsheet, or presentation allows you to edit, collaborate on, and share it online. When you convert a file, the original file will remain intact and accessible from Google Drive on the web. A copy of the file in a Google Docs format appears in My Drive in your Google Drive. To convert a document into Google Docs format, select the file you wish to convert. Click the More button. Click Open With, then select Google Docs. Now the Word document has been converted into a Google document. Now you and others can edit and collaborate on the document. We already know how to download and convert one document to your computer. To convert multiple documents, first select the files you'd like to convert. Click the More button at the top of the page. Select Download, and then select a conversion format. Click Download to begin converting and downloading the files. Google Docs will convert and zip or compress the files and download them to your computer. There are several ways to print a file. One way is to click the File drop-down menu and select Print. Or you can click the Print button.